In other news now, the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has warned the Finance Ministry over increasing bad loans under the Mudra scheme. According to the Times of India report here, Centre's flagship program here, the Mudra scheme, has seen non-performing assets or NPAs rising to as much as 11,000 crore rupees. RBI sources have warned the ministry now, Mudra loans could well turn out to be the next big source of NPAs. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana here, which was launched in the year 2015 to provide loans of up to 10 lakh rupees to small and micro enterprises across the country. Let's get in a word here from our correspondent Avni, getting us further inputs here. Avni, this of course with respect to the fact that Mudra scheme is one of the flagship programs of the government, constantly being used as a voice to show how the government has worked in favor of small and medium scale enterprises and startups here. But this of course coming in as a huge warning note from the RBI.
Absolutely, Seher. Now remember, the non-performing assets issue has been plaguing the entire banking industry, and now the Reserve Bank, which has always been cautioning about the NPAs, has now warned the Finance Ministry over the Mudra scheme and the NPAs under the Mudra scheme, saying that it's risen to as much as 11,000 crore rupees and that perhaps something does need to be done about this, and relook at the kind of loans and how to deal with this needs to be done. This also warning that Mudra loans could be the next big source of NPAs. So we've seen NPAs from specific sectors as far as the banking industry is concerned as being very large, and now Mudra loans could perhaps be that next big source of NPAs. So we're talking about NPAs to the extent of 11,000 crores so far. We'll of course now have to wait and see how the Finance Ministry responds to this and whether there is any action that is going to be taken to ensure that this doesn't spiral out of control. There.
That's right. Avni, thank you for getting us those inputs. Well, on that note, we're slipping into a very